Hello, Janne.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very good. Fantastic day.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Oh yeah, my name is Janne Sipilä and I'm responsible for partner co-sell here in Microsoft Finland. So my role is to find the right partners like Jakamo to our enterprise customers.
Great. So, what is happening right now in the space of digital supply chain in manufacturing industry?
That's a very good question because there's a lot of things is happening. Maybe our customers, they don't know what to do, but most of them are building a data platform where they are collecting the data from different parts of the supply chain process. They need to have some supplier data, they need to have manufacturing data, ERP data, they need to have logistic data, and in order to get the visibility on the end-to-end supply chain, that's what is happening, and that's where the companies are going to.
Okay, are they succeeding it?
It's a very good question, and it's very difficult to get to end-to-end visibility to the supply chain, but they are like concentrating on small parts and getting very good value from small things, and where companies like you can help them.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, but what about the future? What kind of trends or big waves you see in the future in let's say 1 to 3 years? What should manufacturing companies take care of? What should they look?
Well, if we're thinking of what is happening now on the supply chain, recently Wing announced that they will come to Finland and start the drone deliveries. And that's something that will disrupt the whole last mile delivery. Then if you have something delivered by drone, it's very easy to track. It's always trackable by the GPS, and it's like easy to deliver right time in the right place. That's definitely something that is happening. Then one very interesting thing is 3D printing. There's a prediction that next year there's going to be 5.5 million 3D printers sold.
Okay.
And if you think about the spare part business and the whole post-sales business, so 3D printing will definitely disrupt that business because you don't need to make the spare parts. You can produce them where you need them, and you don't need to have the post-sales logistics at all. That's also very interesting. And more what is happening on the consumer side, what some of the companies are already starting, they start predictive deliveries or shipments. So they start shipping the products already before the consumer has ordered them, because based on the artificial intelligence, they know which are the consumers in which area who will purchase them, and they ship the products beforehand, and then the purchase will come when the delivery is on the way to the consumer.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, thank you, Janne. It was a pleasure to have a chat with you.
Yeah, thanks.